everyone! Welcome back to another vlog, and for today's video, may bago na naman tayong to try na makeup product. This is the Mint Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette from Makeup Revolution. As you can see, ang ganda ng design ng kanyang packaging, and sa loob, and it comes with a mirror and it has a transparent protective plastic where the name of the shade is printed, and it comes with a dual-ended eyeshadow applicator. And yung scent niya, meron siyang scent, pero hindi siya ganun katamis yung scent niya. Unlike this one, this is the Chocolate and Peaches palette from Makeup Revolution also. Yung scent nito guys, ayan, sobrang amoy chocolate siya. Pero ito, hindi siya ganun ka-sweet yung scent niya. Okay, as you can see, I already had my makeup. I used this palette for my eyeshadow, and before I show you how I created this look and what are those shades that I used, I'm gonna show you first the swatches of the palette. Okay guys, so this is the shade Sugar Coated, this is the shade Engage, this is the shade Tea, this is the shade Lust, and this is the shade Poison Ivy, this is the shade Secret, and this is the shade Worlds Apart. And then this is the shade Distorted, this is the shade Rivals, this is the shade Interrupted, this is the shade Compromise, this is the shade Confession, this is the shade High Standard, this is the shade Commotion, and this is Disturbance, and this is Awaken. Okay guys, so I am done with my kilay and nakapag-apply na rin ako ng foundation of Cam. So now, mag-apply na ako ng concealer. I will also use this as my eyeshadow base and to clean the edges of my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with this Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Okay, I'm gonna take this light pink or mauve shade pink. This is the shade Tea as my transition shade. Okay, so next I'm gonna apply this reddish shade. This is the shade Rolled Apart on my crease and outer corner of my eyes. Okay, so to give more definition on my eyes, I'm just gonna apply this dark brown shade. This is the shade Awaken in the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, to highlight my inner corner, I'll be just taking this shade, shimmer pink shade. This is the shade High Standard. And okay, so I am almost done with my eyeshadow. So, tapusin ko lang yung the rest of my makeup, then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am almost done with my makeup. And for our last touch, I'll be taking this shade, Blue Green. I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line. This is the shade Commotion. Okay, so that's complete our look, and ito na yung aking makeup look na na-create using this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. And so far guys, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung na-create kong look for today. I like how the eyeshadow looks natural, like an everyday makeup look. When you look down and when you open your eyes, you can see the blue-green eyeshadow. And all of the shades here in this palette, sobrang ganda guys. They are all pigmented, and for sure marami pa akong makikreate na makeup look using this palette. So that's it for today's. I hope nag-enjoy kayo ng panonood, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, and see you in my next one. Bye! Ganda ng design ng kanyang packaging, and then sa loob, it comes with a mirror. Oops, wait. It comes with a mirror. Wait lang. Okay guys, so I am done with my kilay, and nakapag-apply na rin ako ng foundation of Calm. So now mag-a-apply na tayo ng concealer sa akin. So, okay guys, so tapos ko na yung aking kilay and nakapag-apply na ako ng foundation of Calm. Now mag-a-apply na tayo ng concealer. Oops!